Have you ever pondered how certain creatures endure the scorching heat of summer when water is scarce and the sun is relentlessly brutal? Well, many of these animals resort to a fascinating survival strategy called aestivation, which is our topic of interest today. Aestivation, also known as summer sleep, is a state of animal dormancy, similar to hibernation, but it occurs in the summer instead of the winter. It's a way for animals to escape the harsh conditions of extreme heat and drought. As the temperatures rise and the water sources dwindle, some animals decide it's time for a long nap. This process is far from a mere slumber though. It's a meticulous and finely tuned survival mechanism. Animals that aestivate undergo a dramatic slowdown in their metabolic processes. Their heart rate drops, their body temperature falls, and they enter a state of torpor, a sort of deep sleep where energy use is minimal. Some of them burrow into the ground, finding a cool, moist place to wait out the summer heat. Others may retreat into their shells, sealing the entrance with a layer of mucus to prevent water loss. They essentially create a personal microclimate that remains stable, regardless of the conditions outside. You might be wondering which animals are capable of this extraordinary feat. Well, the list is surprisingly diverse, spanning numerous species and habitats. The lungfish, for instance, burrows into the mud and secretes a mucus cocoon around itself. Certain snails and frogs can also aestivate, burrowing into the ground or hiding in rock crevices. Even some insects and reptiles are known to aestivate when the conditions demand it. Now let's summarize the key points we've discussed about aestivation. It's a survival strategy used by various animals to endure the harsh summer conditions when food and water are scarce. This process involves a significant slowdown in metabolic activity, allowing the animal to conserve energy and water. The aestivating animal typically finds a cool, moist place to hide, such as a burrow in the ground or a rock crevice. Some animals, like certain snails and frogs, even create a protective barrier to prevent water loss. Aestivation is a testament to the remarkable adaptability of life. It's a strategy that enables survival in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, reminding us once again of the incredible resilience and ingenuity found in the natural world. It's a fascinating process, one that continues to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. So the next time you're sweltering in the summer heat, spare a thought for the aestivating animals. They've turned the art of summer survival into a science, and they do it with a level of sophistication and wit that is truly awe-inspiring.